Hello, today we are going to take a look at this beautiful 4-way D-tap port splitter that I recently purchased as broken customer return, and here is label. Maybe you could recognize what kind of shop it was. Maybe it was Amazon. If you know, then let me know. It is a very clever and simple device. You basically grab one port in case when it was brand new and working, it was a DC barrel jack, so most likely it was damaged in transport. And at the output, you've got 4 D-tap or P-tap ports. They mean exactly the same. This is exactly the same port you can find on a lot of V-mount V-lock batteries, and here I've got one of them. But imagine that I would like to attach more than one device. So we can plug it here. This is one device for our monitor. Here I've got second device that is using the same port, and I've got them nicely plugged in. And here go just one cable. I'm extremely happy that I managed to buy it broken, and that's because I do not need DC barrel jack at all. I would like to have P-tap here so I can attach it directly to my battery. And this is what arrived from China. And it's going to be a beautiful D-tap P-tap plug. So we are going to try to cut this wire and attach it and make this device usable again. First, we are going to start our job by just cutting that wire. We go like this and nicely cut it. Then we can remove the external insulation. To be honest, I extremely enjoy feel of that cable. It looks like high quality cable that are being used in music industry. So it gives the vibe that it is expensive. I can see they are nicely color coded, but of course we are going to make sure they are being wired correctly. And let's try to remove that insulation. And as you can see, we've got a beautiful copper. I'm not sure if that can handle 10 amp, to be honest, because this is what is rated. I would not rate it for 10 amps. Absolutely. I would not trust, but I do not have devices that are going to be pulling as much. Here is our plug. We've got positive and negative markings, so we have to make sure to follow that, because otherwise we are going most likely burn our devices. Yeah, that wasn't a pleasant experience. As you can see, everything fall out. But this is what we've got, so I'm doing it for a first time. And it doesn't look really scary. We've got point for soldering. There is one interesting thing that I just discovered. As you can see here, we've got our cable input and other side is closed. But looks like we can grab that element, we can put it here, we can close it down. And now let's see what happened. Now we've got this on other end. First we are going to apply a little bit solder to our wire. So we are going to pre-tin it. We are going nicely use the smaller tip. Yes, this is exactly what you would like to see. Absolutely beautiful job. Here we've got our gold pins and we've got spot for soldering them. So let me grab it like this. I very enjoy the design because it's not fixed. Then we've got absolutely no way of burning the plastic. So I kind of enjoy it. Let me add a little bit solder here. Just like that. And looks like they do not matter which is positive, which is negative. Yes, this is what I would like to see, a beautiful job like on the book. And we repeat our process. Just like that. We are going to cut a little bit. And we are going nicely melt our solder. And this is how it's presenting. In my personal opinion, absolutely beautiful job. Now we have to put our gold pins into plug. We've got the positive and negative markings. I put assumption that the positive is going to be the red one. And here is correct spot for that. And here is our negative one. So they should go like this. And to be honest, I would like this to be catch here a little bit as a strain relief. So we're not going to be pulling. And how does it present? I think the pins are aligned well enough. Yeah, maybe it is not the best job. I think I will add like a zip tie. I put here a zip tie end. And I hope after closing down, this will prevent from any pulling it. And I think that might be working well. So let's try to close it down and see will it work. Because that's the question. So here we've got our plug. Looks correct. Here we've got our anti-pulling system that is working well. We are going to grab our battery. We are going to connect it. Just like that. We are going to grab our multimeter. Here we've got positive. Here we've got negative. And here we've got my multimeter. We are checking our first port. And we've got a correct polarity. The second port. Everything looks fine. Third one. And the last one. And looks like everything is working just fine. Now we can check something more expensive. So first we are going to attach to our battery. Then we are going to grab our D-tap to USB adapter. We are going to attach it like this. Here we've got our battery eliminator that you can see on my channel. Here we've got a regular USB port. We plugging it ourselves here. And we are going to attach our dummy battery. Just like that. And we are going to see will it work. And as you can see, it's working without any problems. As you are able to see, everything is working great. We've got power on all 4 ports. And just by replacing that plug that we actually didn't need, we saved this device from landfill. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.